Joshua Hinman?
Objection, Your Honor. Sounds like you're trying to subject me to your jurisdiction.
I'm not dealing with your gibberish, Mr. Hinman. If you're not Mr. Hinman, I'll issue a warrant for his arrest and the deputies in the
I'm a
front.
representative for him.
Nah, you're not. You are who you are. Do you want an attorney to represent you? You're gonna hire an attorney, or you want to talk with the DA to see if you can work something out? Come on up to the table so you're in front of the microphone.
Or because I didn't cause no crime.
Again, your options, if you want, you can apply for the public defender, you can hire an attorney, or you can see if you can work something out with the
Waive all my
DA.
rights. I don't want to waive my rights, sir. I
Okay.
wanted to talk with him.
Are
but he
you
made me
Joshua
waive my
Hinman?
rights.
Are you Joshua Hinman?
I'm the representative, Joshua
Okay.
Hinman. I am.
Warrant to issue for Joshua Hinman's arrest for his failure.
I am Joshua Hinman in the flesh, but I have to represent this because I know it's a proprietary. That's all I'm representing.
Warrant to issue for Mr. Hinman's arrest, bond set at $500, cash.
All right,
or
I'm here.
48, yes.
I'm here, sir.
Okay. Now your options again.
You don't let me demur?
No,
Why?
your options again. I'm not getting into a debate with you.
I
Your
don't wanna
options
argue.
are if you
I
wanna-
respect you,
if
sir.
you-
I'm not trying.
If you want to apply for the public defender to represent you, you can do that on the case. You can hire an attorney, or you can negotiate with the DA to see if you can work something out.
Well, I can't go to jail. I can't. It's impossible. I have to feed my family. I don't know what else to do. If I went to jail, it'd
You're not
impact my
going, you're
liberties.
not going to jail today. Your
Well, it wouldn't
options,
matter anytime. I got my family.
your
I'd be in trouble.
options are, if you want to apply for the public defender to have them represent you, you can.
But that makes me sign my rights away.
It does not. It gives you an attorney to advise you and represent you in the case.
Yeah, but then I'm seen as a child in the court and I can't say nothing.
No, that's not true. Do you want to apply for the public defender?
It's a possibility.
Well, I would rather represent myself.
Okay, and then you have that option, so the
But I'm not
option,
allowed to demur. On the record, I'm not allowed to demur.
I don't even know what that is. So your options are, if you want to talk, represent yourself, you could talk with the DA to see if you can work something out on this traffic case, or I can set it for trial. Do you want to talk with the DA to see if you can work something out? It could be a plea agreement, Mr. Hinman, that results in no jail being
I don't mean to be
imposed.
disrespectful, sir. I'm not trying to. I appreciate you in the courts. I need you in the courts. I'm not the type of person they call sovereign where I don't want any of this to exist. I want my FBI, CIA. I love all that stuff. I think
Okay.
that's awesome. I am not against any of this. I
Okay,
just victimless crimes. I haven't hurt anybody and there's no injured party. So who am I trying to make whole?
I'm not debating with you.
I'm not asking you to debate. I'm
For the-
asking where's the victim of the crime to make so I can make them whole.
Doesn't have to be a victim in the case.
Well,
So your
under
options
common law
again.
there does.
I'm not here under common law. I'm here based upon statutory violations on a summons and complaint that was served upon you to
Well, then-
answer the court's call.
Okay, well, what about the laws of creation? It goes God, man, government, and then the proprietorship. I'm man. I'm
Mr.
above. I
Hinman?
can't tell God
Mr.
what to
Hinman,
do.
Your options are,
I'm
if
asking
you
questions,
want
Your Honor.
to, if you want to,
I don't even know the subject matter jurisdiction. Is this a crime? What, I don't know. So I'm asking questions and you're getting mad at me
I'm
just
not
because I
getting
don't
mad
know.
at you. The options are that you, if you want to talk with the DA to work something out, you can.
Well, what is the
Or I could
subject
set
matter
it-
jurisdiction so I know how to defend myself?
You're alleged to have been operating a motor vehicle on the highway and streets of the state of Colorado without a driver's license, without proof of insurance, and having
But I was
expired
private. I
plates.
don't have to show anything when you're private,
Yes, you do.
person. Why?
Yes, you do.
Well, that would make me worship you and I can only worship God.
Okay. Mr. Hinman, do you want to have an attorney, or you want to talk with the DA to work something out?
So this is my only options. On the record, I am.
Or I could enter a not guilty
This is
plea
a
on your
court of
behalf.
record, right?
I can enter a not guilty plea on your behalf and set it for trial if you want to do that.
Is this a court of record?
It is.
Well, I'd like to move the court to notice of USC 28-3002, subsection 2.
Do you want a
That
jury
this is a
trial or a
tax court.
trial to the court? Do you want a jury trial or a trial to the court?
This is a
Mr.
tax
Hinman?
court.
I'm setting your case for
Is this
trial.
not a tax court? Do you have a congressional approval to operate? Sir, I'm asking you a question.
I'm not dealing with
Do you have a congressional approval to operate?
I'm
On the
not-
record, I'm not being answered.
You want a trial to the court or a jury
If you
trial?
answer if you answer if you have congressional approval to operate, I will.
We'll set it for a jury trial.
Well, I demur. I demur on the record. I'm
Great.
not letting him do anything for me. I demur.
Great.
No victim, no crime. Show me the law. Can I please see the law? Can you explain the law? Not policy, because only Congress creates law.
August 27th at 8:30.
Congress writes law only, and I'm only subjected to what Congress writes. And the Constitution allows me to ignore anything that there's no victim. And the state cannot be a victim because I am the state. I am the people. I am no person, I am no they, I'm no them. I am only the people. And on the record, I will be seen only as the people. And if there's no victim, there's no crime. And I don't even have to show up to that court date. I am told I can ignore it. So I take none of this under his precaution, but I stand on demur. And if there's no victim, there's no crime.
We could do the oceans.
We got to stand up for our rights. If not, we're going to end up like Nigeria, like my wife's country, where you have to pay the police to come help you. And I fear this. I love my country too much to let it go to hell. Forgive me, Father. Forgive me, Father.
So
Here's a copy of these court dates, Mr. Hinman.
Well,
My clerk will
does it
give me-
matter though, if they're unconstitutional? Sir, you swore an oath to the Constitution and you're completely usurping it. Can't answer that, can you?
I've given you your 5 minutes of fame,
Well,
Mr. Hinman.
42-12-203,
There's your copy.
sir.
There's your copy.
USC 42-12-203.
You want to take your copy?
Why do I have to? It's pretty much useless. It's
Okay.
unconstitutional.
All right, you can leave my
You're acting
courtroom now.
Unconstitutional.
You can leave my
What is your
courtroom
first
now.
name and last name?
It-
So
you
I can
can leave.
seek remedy.
Sure. It's Bruce is my first name, common spelling. And then Ram is R-A-A-U-M.
Are you
R-A-A-U-M.
A?
2 A's, 1 U, M.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm not.
You want your copy of the paperwork?
But I'm just standing on my rights as the
Do you
people.
want your copy of the paperwork, Mr. Hinman?
Well, I'll need it for getting my remedy
Okay,
for the court ignoring my rights
okay.
and
You,
usurping me.
you can leave my courtroom now, Mr. Hinman.
My court, sir. I'm the people.
Leave.
Stand on your rights, people.
In this courtroom hearing, the defendant repeatedly challenged the court's authority instead of addressing the underlying traffic-related allegations. He argued that there was no injured party, questioned the court's subject matter jurisdiction, referenced constitutional and religious beliefs, and insisted that he was not a sovereign citizen, even while making arguments commonly associated with that movement. Throughout the exchange, he also expressed concern about giving up his rights by accepting a public defender and repeatedly attempted to redirect the hearing toward debates over legal philosophy and governmental authority. The judge, however, remained focused on the procedural purpose of the hearing. Rather than engaging with those broader arguments, the judge repeatedly explained the defendant's available legal options, including requesting appointed counsel, hiring private counsel, negotiating with the prosecutor, or proceeding to trial. When the defendant continued refusing to answer straightforward procedural questions, the court ultimately entered a not guilty plea on his behalf and scheduled the case for a jury trial, bringing the hearing to a close without debating the legal theories being presented. This hearing is a reminder that courtroom proceedings are governed by established procedural rules, and judges generally require legal arguments to be presented through the appropriate process rather than through repeated jurisdictional challenges or philosophical objections. What do you think? Did the judge handle this hearing appropriately, or should the defendant's concerns have been addressed in greater detail? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this courtroom showdown interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns, and share this video with someone who enjoys legal drama. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.